It's been said that only 4% of the population knows what human design is.
And only 4% of that 4% will do anything with it.
We're here, out in the OC, to figure this out. If we get no one who knows, Davidian buys lunch. If we get one person out of everyone we interview, I buy lunch.
I'm not buying lunch.
Would you guys be interested in answering just one? Do you guys have the courage to answer a question for our social media? Oh, okay, thank you. A few people that had a few drinks. Hi, would you guys be interested in answering a quick question for our social media? Oh, you're past. Okay, sure, you'll pass. Okay. Would any of you know what this is?
I do not.
Do you know?
Nope.
Do you know what this is?
A zodiac wheel.
What do you think,
No,
sir?
I don't know.
If you had to guess one thing, what would you say this was?
A star chart?
Something to do with Mandela?
Engineering.
Witch's wheel.
Okay, good answers. Thanks for participating. All right, so far, Davidian's buying lunch. You guys are awesome. Either one of you know what this picture is?
No.
How about you?
Not necessarily. Oh, wait a minute. Is it like a birth chart?
It's close.
Maybe like a...
I'm thinking like a zodiac, some kind of zodiac.
Yeah, like a zodiac chart. It reminds me of like the 7 houses people talk about. I've always heard about that.
I don't know about that.
So far, we've done over 10 people. We've not had one person yet. We've had close astrology, this kind of thing, but not the right answer yet. Do any of you know what this picture is?
It looks like
Astrology calendar? Oh, it is?
Oh, I guess I do see it. Astrology signs along the.
Yeah,
I guess Erica was right.
What would your best guess be?
I'm copying your answer. Sorry. Astrology calendar.
Astrology calendar. Oh, yeah.
An astrology calendar.
No, babe, say something else.
I'll say the same thing.
It includes a lot of things, but astrology is one of them. So, Erica, congratulations.
Thank you.
Thanks. I know.
Looks like Davidian's paying for